Hi, I'm Pramod Gavade, CRM architect from San Francisco, California. Today, I'm going to talk about customer relationship management with artificial intelligence. Let's jump right into it. Uh, Before we do that, customary slide that views and opinions expressed in these presentations are my own views and do not represent that of any of my current or past employers, their affiliates, or employees. What is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers or digital devices to learn, read, write, talk, see, create, analyze, make recommendation, or do a bunch of other things which humans can do. So basically, artificial intelligence is a system or technology that can mimic the human behavior. There are various AI methodologies which CRM in particular can benefit from. These are machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics, and of course, generative AI. Um, I was curious to find what are the search trends about AI's potential. And while I was doing this research, I came across some pretty interesting phrases which people are trying to find answers for with respect to AI's current or future capabilities. So if we are to think of one funny or intriguing AI capability, what comes to our mind? Can be current AI capability, futuristic, or even fictional capability. So I found out there are like 100 of different terms and tried to put them together on one picture. As you can see, there are some funny search terms which people are looking for. Example, can AI win hot dog eating competition? Can AI dance with Roomba? Can AI play rock, paper, scissors? There are some intriguing search terms as well, such as can AI interpret human dreams? Will be very interesting if AI can. The other search term which I found very intriguing was can AI regulate AI? We all know there is a huge push for bringing in some regulations in AI. So if AI can help with regulating AI, that would be pretty amazing. Uh, there's particularly few search terms which became my favorite, as this is an election year in the US. Can AI predict next president? The other search term is can AI predict winning lottery number? We all want to be millionaires. So yeah, we would definitely be happy if AI can do all these things for us. Well, some of these capabilities are already present. Some of them are being developed, or some may be becoming a reality in the future. Today, we are going to look into what can AI do for customer relationship management. So let's start with understanding what customer relationship management is. It is a strategy used by businesses to manage interactions and relationships with their current or prospect customers. Often it involves using technology to organize, automate, synchronize sales, marketing, and customer services processes. CRM systems are designed to manage these interactions with the customers with the aim to enhance the business relationships and foster the business growth. If we are to look at the CRM as a system, we can break it down to three major verticals, those being marketing, sales, and customer service. On the marketing side, some of the use cases are email marketing, campaign management, lead scoring, lead nurturing, customer segmentation. If we look at the sales side of use cases, we have lead management, contact management, opportunity tracking or opportunity management, sales forecasting. Whereas on the customer service side, we have case management or ticketing system, knowledge-based management, communication channel management, because as we know, there are so many different channels by which customers can reach out to businesses. And then, of course, the self-service portal is these days has gained a lot of importance. What are the key objective of CRM system? So definitely businesses want to streamline their sales and marketing processes with the use of CRM. They would like to enhance customer satisfaction. They would like to improve customer retention, also improve decision making, and overall increase operational efficiency. So the last objective is where AI is helping tremendously on the CRM systems. So when we bring AI into customer relationship management, what can we get out of it? So bringing in AI into CRM enables the automation of routine tasks, facilitates personalized customer interaction, and provides data-driven insights. There are various use cases from marketing where AI can help. There are various use cases from sales where AI can help. And of course, a lot of use cases from customer service practices where AI can help. We're going to look into some of these use cases where AI can help. So let's start by looking at audience segmentation. Audience segmentation or customer segmentation is one of the very important aspect of marketing because it helps businesses with targeting marketing to ensure right people are seeing the right advertisement or right campaigns. So AI can help with this by segmenting their current or potential customers more intelligently and efficiently based on various traits, interests, and their behaviors. And overall, it will lead to more successful marketing. Next use case is programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising, AI can help with this by automatically purchasing or placing the ads on website and applications to help with the effective marketing. So it can go hand in hand with audience segmentation. Search engine optimization. AI can also help marketers increase their page ranking or develop more effective content strategies by leveraging what different search engine algorithms are doing or how they are tracking towards user behavior. And AI can help in tailoring the right page builder capabilities to help with the search engine optimization. E-commerce automation. AI can also help users in their buying journey by understanding what customers need or what are their buying habits or what different things they are looking for on internet. And marketers can use this information to enhance the end-to-end shopping experience for the customers through personalized marketing campaigns. Some of the other use cases are chatbots. So chatbots can be used in customer experience or their buying journey or shopping experience. Marketers are using some of these AI bots to help with interacting with customers at various stages of their journeys and also help resolve any potential issues more quickly and effectively so that customer can successfully go through all the stages and complete the buying order, complete the order. Whereas chatbots on the customer service side is very effective tool. They are becoming very integral part of successful customer service strategy because they can perform a lot of various tasks like answering the customer's question, helping them with the next step recommendation. Also, in certain cases, AI chatbots can also help route the customer request to right agent who has a suitable skill set available so that customer's request can be resolved quickly and effectively. With the advancement in generative AI, content generation is another use case where CRM can benefit from AI. Marketers can use generative AI to create blogs, marketing messages, copywriting materials, emails, etc. Even they can create websites um, using the AI and tailor it to specific audience once we combine the website generation with the customer segmentation. AI on the sales side, AI can also help with salespeople in drafting highly engaging email content so that they can receive better responses on their prospecting emails. Also, for the voice-based call, AI can generate specific talking points. So sales team prospecting with customer or connecting with their existing customers can use these talking points to make sure their pitch is relevant for the customers. Some of the other use cases are lead based. So lead nurturing is mainly marketing use case, whereas lead scoring or lead prioritization is sales use case. There are two type of lead stages. One is there are two type of lead which we see more success. One is the marketing qualified leads, and the other one is sales qualified leads. So for the marketing qualified leads, a marketing team are mainly focusing on nurturing the lead, so that they can generate more engagement with the lead so that lead can follow through their journey towards becoming a customer. AI can help with the lead nurturing by helping with personalized and optimized nurturing efforts. And AI can help doing it at higher or the larger scale, helping with a higher conversion rate. Whereas on the sales side, for the sales qualified leads process, AI can help with lead scoring and lead prioritization so that sales team or sales development representative can focus on particular leads once they have stack ranked lead database available based on the likelihood to close. We can use similar concept of lead scoring into the opportunity scoring or deal prediction. AI can make increasingly accurate estimations of how likely opportunities are to close. AI can also help predict when opportunity closes, what would be the deal size, um, hence enhancing, excuse me, hence enhancing the predictability and effectiveness of the sales pipeline. Uh, Next sales-related use case is sales forecasting. Sales forecasting is very important practice with sales team or sales management because that can help sales team readjust their strategies or based on the number they can devise a plan to meet the organizational goals. So AI can help in sales forecasting by utilizing the historic data to predict the future outcomes and helping sales team identify these deals or their prospect customers which are most likely to close and make the sales forecasting more accurate. Some of other use cases are like call and meeting summarization. So we all know using natural language processing, AI can help with transcribing the audio videos. And on top of that, AI technology can also help with accurately and efficiently summarizing these calls or meetings. And AI can analyze the call content, generate the next steps or action based on the content for each of the participants so that it can enable the better follow-up on those calls. AI can also help with next action recommendation, not just for the calls or meeting purposes, but AI can suggest next actions for each sales representative in real time, considering all relevant information about particular customer or particular deal based on the current stage of customer or current stage of the deal. AI can also help in the competition analysis. So we all know there is a lot of information or a lot of data available based on what different customers are looking for, or how different competitions are positioning their products or their offerings. So AI can help with tracking this information real time based on the online activities of customers and competitors, and it can automatically provide vital insights, and it can help reducing the time required for competitive analysis otherwise. Customer intent analysis. So customer intent is highly useful in all different verticals of CRM. It can help with marketing. It can help with the sales processes. It can also help with the customer service. So AI can automatically identify and address some of the intent which customer has based on their buying habits or based on their previous interactions with certain product or certain um, aspect of the business. And we can use this intent analysis to help bots handle repetitive tasks, deflect customer questions, and offer more personalized and accurate response. One of the example of this can be, let's say, if certain customer uh, frequently buys product from Amazon, and sometimes whenever they find product not as helpful, or for any reason they want to return a product, um, based on their previous interactions with, let's say, Amazon's customer service, AI can help with identifying the intent that whenever customer is not happy with the product, they always want to return a product and ask for refund for it. So AI can automate some of these so that it can free up some of the time taken by the actual human agents to interact with the customer by proactively offering customer option to request for refund uh, and self-serve the query. Similar to customer intent, customer insights are also very helpful. So AI can enable customer service team to gather valuable customer insights, what language they use, what are their sentiments about product or about the service. And AI can ensure that agents have all these relevant information available so that they can power more informed interactions and help result in improved customer satisfaction. Also, AI can make proactive recommendations based on the customer's preference, their behaviors, and previous interactions. So AI can make these recommendations to customers as well as it can make these recommendations to the internal customer service team. With automating some of the simple workflows, AI can help increase customer service representatives' productivity by reducing the workload in handling simple requests and automating more repetitive tasks. So agents can more focus on requests which need more human interactions or more human involvement. Similarly, AI can also analyze the sentiment, their intent, and can power the accurate ticket routing and help with reducing the escalations. Hand in hand with how agent productivity can get benefited, AI can help with creating intelligent workflows that provides faster support to customers and more efficient processes for agent. Some of the other use cases on customer service side are providing personalized support and providing multilingual support. So AI can leverage all the customer data to provide more tailored support to the customer, can help addressing specific customer needs more efficiently. AI based on customers' preferred language, AI can help with providing multilingual support, even if the current skill set on the customer service team may or may not have the capabilities to provide support in all different languages. AI can help with bridging the gap by uh, translating the natural language bidirectionally so that customer service can be provided in various available languages, not just limited to what particular team can provide. Um, AI can also help with enhancing the knowledge base. Also, it can, like using large language models, it can help provide more tailored support and can help address customers' need more efficiently, even if precompiled knowledge base does not may not have solution captured for a particular problem, but using LLMs, AI can provide uh, knowledge base articles for nuance interaction or nuance customer request as well. AI can also help with the interactive voice responses by enabling automatic voice responses and resolutions during conversations, not just based on decision tree. It can also use the natural language process more effectively to generate resolution prompt more effectively. And some of the other use cases where AI can help CRM are workforce management. So most of the sales or customer services organization tend to be seasonal. They have some peaks at certain time in the year, and at certain time they may have some plateaued requirement in terms of like the sales and customer support. So AI can help with planning and predicting how much manpower would be required to support such seasonality. It can also help with recruiting the right candidate, doing the resume screening, also can help generate some of the interview questions. Um, and once someone is hired on the team, AI can also help with the employee performance management and employee engagement to make sure employees are happy with the team, and they are always provided the right opportunity to grow in their career, and help reduce some of the attrition, which has been predominantly a challenge in the customer service space. AI can also help with agent training and onboarding. AI can um, build customized curriculum, can help simplify some of the learning curves by generating various situations based on at what point a particular person who is onboarding is at, and can tailor the um, next chapter or next lessons accordingly. It can also help provide some of the intelligent recommendations for actions to take in various scenarios, so that agent before doing the actual work, they can get an opportunity to um, work on similar scenarios. So these are some of the AI use cases. I'm sure there are more use cases which can be handled in the CRM space, but for the sake of time, let's look at this one example, bringing the discussion back to can AI or AI's capability. So we in this example, we have sales agent based in San Francisco and who is working with a prospect customer who is based in New York. So sales representative put together a deal and send it over to customer, and ask customer if everything on the proposal looks good. Customer says it looks good. So now sales agent would like to know when customer can sign. And customer comes back and says, let's sign it next week. Well, this can work in normal situation, but if it is end of month or end of quarter or end of year, sales agents may be eager to close the deal so that they get credit, or the business gets credit for in like current month or current quarter or current fiscal year, rather than waiting for next week. So let's say customer says they can sign it next week. Sales agent need to make sure the deal gets signed today itself. So they in this scenario, sales agent came up with the idea of offering, if you sign the deal today, I'll bring you your coffee tomorrow. So customer sees sees that sales agent is willing to go above and beyond. It's just not about the coffee, but the emotional intelligence or creativity which sales agent use here to offer something for customer. Customer likes it and they sign a deal and they suggest that they would like their coffee to be a black coffee in the morning. So sales agent, and this is actually happened at one of my previous employer where I used to work. One of the sales agent did say this to customer, and she flew from San Francisco to New York to make sure she was bringing a coffee to the customer next day and waiting for him in the lobby. So now the reason why I shared this example is to bring back the question to, can AI help in this CRM use case? Based on current capabilities of AI, AI may not be able to help create such interaction with customer, and even if it creates the interaction, it may not be able to bring the coffee to customer. So the reason why I wanted to discuss about that example is to lead the discussion towards what are the limitations in AI, limitations of AI in CRM, where AI may not be able to automate certain things for the businesses. So based on the previous example, we can say creativity and innovation. AI can help generate ideas based on existing data, but it cannot replace the human creativity or innovation in developing new strategies or approaches based on certain situations. Emotional intelligence is another aspect where AI may not be able to truly understand all the emotions and empathize with the person or customer in the same way us human can do. So another set of limitations are complex problem solving. AI is really excelling in handling routine or repetitive tasks, but it may struggle with some of the complex problem solving that requires human judgment or creativity. It also may not be able to handle unforeseen situation because AI is generally model based on previously seen situations or previous set of rules or algorithms. So AI may struggle to handle the completely new or unforeseen situation that requires adaptive or flexible responses. AI may not be able to have the complete autonomy for certain CRM use cases that especially requires complex interactions with the human being. Another limitation on the AI is understanding the context. As I mentioned previously, AI may not be able to empathize with the customer based on the situation, or it may not be able to understand the full context of the situation. And this is one of the crucial aspects in customer relationship management, that businesses would like to understand the customer's intent or their situation to be able to support them in better way. Another limitations are building personal relationship. So AI may not be able to replicate the same level of human-to-human interactions which human being can. That would still be a challenge for AI. Another limitations is ethical and moral decision making. AI may lack some of the moral and ethical reasoning capabilities, and it may not be able to make decisions based on ethical considerations or values. Next slide is this is applicable not just for CRM, but applicable to a lot of use cases out there for AI. data bias. It can be a limitation of AI because we all know AI is as good as the data. It's the data we use to train the system on. So AI uh, AI can have some data biases if the training data use is not diverse enough, or there are historical biases, or data is skewed in one direction or the other. So AI can uh, generate the outcomes which are biased based off of the training data. And in CRM, this type of biases can lead to an unfair treatment of certain customer groups, inaccurate predictions, which can be detrimental to businesses. Another key limitation is privacy and security. So for AI to work more accurately, we need to collect, store, and use a lot of customer data. Such data oftentimes requires access to large amount of PII, or personal identity person identifiable information, to make some of the predictions more accurately. But this can also raise some concern that security of this data may not be guaranteed all the time, and it may also potentially expose some of the data to person who may not have authorization or do not need to have access to that type of data. So we talked about some of the CRM use cases where AI can help, and we also talked about some of the limitations of AI in CRM. In summary, incorporating AI in CRM systems can offer multitude of benefits, ranging from automating routine tasks to personalized customer interactions and providing more data-driven insights. We can leverage machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics to optimize some of the sales, marketing, business processes, also help with enhancing customer satisfaction and improving overall efficiency, which are the key objective of CRM. However, AI still has some limitations in understanding complex human emotions, uh, nuanced interactions, and certain aspects where human intuitions and empathy are still very crucial. Um, Given the current capabilities and given where we are, we can say that AI best complements humans to accomplish objective of CRMs more effectively. Still, we may not be able to have AI fully replace humans involvement in customer relationship management space. Yeah, that's me. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and thank you for listening to my talk.